Hi there, my name is Veronica and welcome to my home sweet home, Dulce Hogar. Bienvenido seas. Welcome back if it's not your first time visiting me, but if it's your first time, thank you for watching. And if you like my content, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And in advance, I thank you for watching. Today I am bringing a very easy recipe. It's Mexican rice. If you like to know how to make it, please stick around and watch this little video. Let's get started. Thank you. Okay, basic ingredients: 3 cups of rice, 2 packs of the Sazón Goya. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of Maggi, caldo de pollo, a little bit of vegetable oil, and of course 6 cups of water. So we're going to start by heating up our pot and adding the oil. Next, we will add the 3 cups of rice. So 3 cups of rice. I'm using jasmine. That's my favorite rice. So in order to have a perfect rice, I know you can use the rice maker, but this is a Mexican rice. You have to toast it. So we are going to toast this rice. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes. So we're pretty much frying the rice and the oil, and it's going to get to a brownish goldy color. That's when we know that it's ready. So let's keep moving it so it won't burn. We want to be toasted even, so that's why we want to continue to. You can see the color is changing to a brownish goldy. All right, that's what we're looking for. It's almost ready. So I'm going to add the water in three sessions. So the first 2 cups of water, I'm going to add them right now, and immediately we add the Goya, Sazón Goya. Sazón Goya has everything we need. Like, really, you don't need anything else besides the chicken broth that we are adding after. But this comes with all the ingredients. And I used to do like a tomato sauce before. That's the way it should be, but I don't do that anymore because the tomato may not it's very delicate, so it is very easy for the tomato to get bad really quick. I do like to keep it in the fridge for at least 2-3 days, since I do food prep a lot for my children and myself. I don't cook every day. So that's the second time, so that's 4 cups, and as you can see, it's already boiling. So that's the third set of water. So in total there were 6 cups of water. So it's always it's always 2 cups of water per a cup of rice. Those are my perfect measurements for you to have a perfect rice. As you can see, it came out really perfect. That's it. Thank you so much, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.